Good morning. What's going on, Monopoly family? Guys, it's that time of the week where we go through our live trading session. I know you guys enjoy these kind of videos where you get to watch me trade and earn a living from the stock market. Now guys, I know I said it's the morning, but it's actually 2:15 in the afternoon. But it is the morning for me because, as you know, I only trade the US stock market open. So there's plenty of time to go, about an hour to go, guys. I know I'm being lazy today. It is a beautiful morning, but we're gonna make this trade happen from this bed. So let's put the camera down and let's get right into it, guys, and hopefully you get some value. Alright guys, Zeb Monopoly here with another video. I know you guys enjoy these videos where you get to watch me trade, but today we're gonna do it differently. We're actually gonna be doing it from this bed. And obviously when we trade the stock market, guys, all we need is a simple laptop. So you don't need any high-tech Pentagon gear. So the thing is, guys, we're gonna be watching a stock called QD. And QD is a stock that majority of us on the Discord chat will be watching, because we're following the same strategy, and that's the Z Monopoly strategy, the same one that I shared with you guys here on YouTube. So if you're new to my channel, I'll leave links in the comment section for tutorials that will put your foot through the door. And if you want to learn more, obviously, and join the chat room, then there's going to be the first link in the comment section and in the description. And I'm also going to show you the results of the chat room because we're going to be trading that same stock together. So guys, QD is a stock that checks all the boxes. All right. The first step for me is to find out which direction the stock is headed in. By the way, QD is the ticker for the stock. That's the name of the stock, called QD. So we're finding out the direction it's headed in, and I want to know, will it go in that direction for the rest of the day? That's very important, and that's where the psychology comes in and the fundamentals of the report or of the company comes into play. And that's why you have to be a good analyst in thinking where the stock is heading. And the last thing left is when the stock market opens to get a good entry and to manage your risk. All right? So that's the game plan for today. I'm gonna share it with the Discord chat and what I think this stock will do, and you will see it here, and I'm also gonna show you the results for today. So let's pause this video, guys. Let's get right into it. Let's pause this because the market is gonna open in 30 minutes. I don't want to drag this video for longer, but hopefully it should be a good Monday, and hopefully we get to do well. This game plan has been shared with the rest of my guys. Those are the guys that came from my YouTube channel to follow me here on this Discord chat and trade the same way that I trade. So the game plan has been shared. Now I know some people are trading pre-market, like Keith here. He already made his 2,000. But for the rest of us, we trade on market open because I guess we don't want to take that much risk. So let's put the camera down, guys, and let's start the Monday correctly. Hopefully we do well, and hopefully everybody gets to kill it. I will show you the results of this chat room. Hopefully it will motivate you. So stock market is gonna open any second now, right? You'll see this stock here. This is the price, 748. It's gonna drop. That's because it released negative news. Now, QD was already down 11% before market open. I identified the direction it's going in. By the way, this is my Discord chat. You're gonna see the results here in a few minutes when everybody starts sharing them. Now, our trade is gonna last about 5 minutes or so. So here's the market open. Now it's time to wait for a good entry, guys. Good entry and good risk management. Our risk is managed and reduced once we enter the stock. So, for me, I don't focus on candlesticks, I focus on price action, guys. So there it goes. Now I need to get in on a good pullback. But as you can see, this stock doesn't want to do that. Alright, come on baby. The butterflies are kicking in, guys. Alright, so the pullback happened, guys, and there we go. There's my entry, guys. There is my entry. 2% risk management on this stock has already been done, so I know exactly when to get out if the stock was to go against me. Well done. So there is the green, guys. It's literally 3 minutes. Wow. QD, QD, green, green. Green means profit. 294 short, $95. QD, very good. So I'm still waiting, obviously. So I'm $120 up so far, guys. So here's more green from the chat room. Here's a small loss. Obviously other people are experienced in this chat, guys. Other people are new to my trading strategy. But we're 145 up now, guys. $145. Still feel like there's room. Now I could take that money, but as you can see, we're up 250 now. Here's more profits coming in. So we're back here, 225. 6 minutes into market open. I can take the profit and walk away. But the next drop that happens, I'll exit the market, guys, and I'll walk away with my profit. So have a look, guys. More profits, 2%, 129. Well done, guys. That's what I like to see. So here's the 225 coming my way. This stock is going to drop one more time, guys, and that next drop is going to be huge. The reason why I can say this before it even happens is because I've been in these trades previously. Well done. This is happening in front of your eyes, guys. So I might take this profit, I don't know, guys, and walk away. So as you can see, guys, more money made here from the chat room. But I'm actually going to pause this. I'll come back to it. I will have to pause this and wait for more. Maybe do some stuff on the background, and I'll share with you guys the initial or the final outcome of the trade. Alright, it's 9 minutes in, but this stock has more juice, more money to be juiced from that stock. Okay, so see you in a few minutes, guys. Okay, guys, so I actually added more positions to my current position that was opened, and we're up now 1,300. So it's time to walk away. So I'm actually just going to exit that position, guys. So I'll see you in a few minutes before it changes on me. So it's been a successful day. I wasn't the only one that made the 1,000 today. And that is the Z Monopoly strategy. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got some value. Now that trade actually lasted longer than usual, guys. Usually the trade lasts 5-10 minutes. But today I decided to hold on even longer, which I don't really recommend unless you're experienced. So in total, guys, after commission, well, commission would have been 50 or 60 or around that. So almost over $1,000, right, for today. And majority of the chat got to do well also. But experience, guys, practice, education, knowledge. I know I make it seem easy on here, but it is easy when you're good at what you do, guys. But keep practicing, keep doing your thing, like I said. This was a trade that comes up time and time again. Matter of fact, look at all the trades I've made on this channel, guys. It's the same setups, it's the same idea behind it. This was a short position, because there's two ways to make money in the stock market. One buy, another one is short. But have a look at my tutorials. Open up a demo account, practice, then my course will be ready for you. Although we go from the start with the course, even from the basics, and then the Discord chat will be there waiting for you guys, right? It's not as complicated as others make it seem. Once you start understanding it, the last thing left is to actually gain that experience within the market, to feel the emotion. Now, when the market opened, guys, the butterflies kicked in, which is the same thing for many people. You're excited at the start, you're ready to go, and then the butterflies kick in, and you're nervous, shaking, sweaty. I don't know, all these emotions come up at one time. But that's what price volatility does for you, so you have to manage it. Like, that's why I always say psychology is important, having confidence. I already knew the trade before I even had the stock market open. I already knew exactly where it was going, and that's what experience does for you. That's what education, knowledge does for you in the first place. But congratulations to everybody that got to do well. Let me know if you made the same trade as me today in the comments section. Practice, 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 practice gets you to where you want to be, and that's the stock market. I know it seems easy in this video, but when you begin, you'll realize it's emotional, right? I mean, when you seen the stock market opened, I was shaking, I was sweating, but I was excited at the same time. And that's trading in general. All these emotions come up from nowhere. But I wish you the best of luck, guys. If you made that same trade, let me know. And if you made it this far, smashy, smashy. And I'll see you guys for more videos. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. As Simply Zed. Usually I share the Discord chat when I'm not making video. I share the results there. There's bigger things coming this few months coming up, guys. I want to hold a boot camp for every single person from the Discord chat that has doubled their account, just like you've seen in the last video. Many people doubled their account and tripled their account. So I want to hold the boot camp and just understand what they're doing wrong, maybe, or what they're doing right to double and triple their account. So that boot camp will be held in January. I will accommodate everybody. It will be free, obviously, for the Discord chat, just like the rest of the boot camps that I made. It was always free. So, see you again, guys, just like always. Peace and love, and I wish you the best of luck for the rest of the week.